most respected resource person of this fifth session, respected participants in this program. Good morning to all of you. The fifth session held by Dr. G. Muruganandam, MBA, MPhil, PhD, working as an associate professor in the National Institute of Technology, Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. I welcome you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Welcome all the participants of this program. A brief introductions about him. He's 17 years of teaching experience and 3 years of corporate experience. Is a dynamic and enthusiastic person. He is more interested in teaching, research, and consultancy. Is MBA and PhD from Alagappa Institute of Management, Alagappa University. Is a consultancy, especially for in branding, advertising, and quality of management. He is received Best Paper Awards for presenting his paper in USA, London, Australia, as well as India. I welcome you, sir. Now I invite Professor G. Muruganandam to share your views on leadership and managerial excellence. Thank you, sir.
Respected Professor Kanabadi.
Yes.
Sir, my voice is clear? My voice is clear?
Yes, audible.
Yes, sir. So, respected Professor Kanabadi, organizing committee members of Department of Commerce, faculty colleagues, my dear participants, senior professors, research scholars, students, good afternoon, one and all present here. It is my pleasure and privilege to reconnect with my alma mater, Alagappa University, over a period of time. I am happy to be a part of a resource person for this AICT sponsored faculty development program on leadership. Are you able to see my slides? Are you able to see my slide?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can see, sir.
So today we will be discussing about leadership and managerial excellence. We all know that who's a leader and who's a manager. During COVID situations, during crisis situations, most needed topic is leadership. Alagappa University, Department of International Business is organizing such a wonderful workshop. I congratulate and welcome one and all present here. I structured my presentations and we will be interacting and discussing the following areas. Are you able to see my slide? Coverage? Excuse me? Are you able to see my slide?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Title the coverage.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we will be discussing about the following themes under leadership and managerial excellence. We'll be discussing present business climate, brand leaders, how certain brands are performing well, as a successful case studies, what we can learn. And third is a very important aspect, the human personality, managerial and leadership perspective, with the examples and approaches. So I'll be taking the session in two aspects, the business leadership and the academic leadership. We are academicians. We are creating a business leaders and a business manager. So practicing managers, how are they performing? Academicians, how we are going to create leaderships inside of the classroom and outside of the classroom. And the final part, requirement analysis. So this way, I structured my presentations. I am moving to the next slide. This photo I have taken at Terminal 3, Indira Gandhi Airport, New Delhi. It is a digital display. Look at the advertisement. How the brand is advertising, communicating, and positioning. It is an iPhone. They are positioning world's most popular camera. A camera company, a 150-year-old company, failed to predict the technological advancement. They become bankrupt, close to the business. But here, a smartphone manufacturing company enter into the other areas in terms of features. They include it in the phone. So they are claiming that the world's most popular camera. This article taken from Economic Times. Author is Vice President, a digital initiative, HCL Infosystems Limited. The author highlights that our lives and business are changing with the telecom revolution, ICT. A very important way. Worldwide, people lock and unlock their phones 159 times a day. Nowadays, throughout it is open. To touch screen, 159 times people are opening and closing. The world is closer to us. We are now global citizens. Mobile, one point in time, it was a communication device. Today, it is a consumption device. So that is a transformation is happening, a digital transformation happening, thanks to the technology. This is a very familiar slide to faculty members. Before Corona, institutions, schools, higher educational institutions, mobile phones inside the classroom is not permitted, prohibited. In the industrial age, we went to school. In the information age / Corona age, the class comes through mobile phone or smartphone to our laptop to our house. Today, it is an unavoidable device. Majority of the students and the faculty members are utilizing smartphone for better living and better classroom effectiveness. So technology or a Corona or a COVID made a transformation in teaching learning process. So the Corona provides a crisis. During the crisis, how we are going to overcome the business as an individual, as a self, as a government matters. So the business landscape is changing. We are in one world, one market. Majority of you are familiar with this particular term and the idea. Let me throw some light and take into how it is affecting the present higher education system, the role of the leader and manager. The title is Excellence, how to create excellence. I'll be connecting. Well, so 1991, India liberalized through export-import policy. Liberalization, trade barriers, and license Raj removed. Earlier, if you are importing electronic item, maybe Sony TV or a Sony laptop, MRP of the product plus 350% customs duty, you have to pay at the airport. That was reduced to 20%. The government stake in the public sector enterprises were reduced. So liberalization, privatization result in globalizations. Globalization is we integrated the economy of the country with the world economy. So that is the reason it is a one world, one market. So if you are a manufacturer at Tirupur or a Hosur or a Pune or Jaipur, you can sell your product anywhere to the world. Earlier that was not the case. There was a quota restrictions, conditions. But today, if you know the host country skills, a product is good, marketing is available, quality you are maintaining, you can sell your product anywhere to the world. So entire world is treated as a single market. That is the reason this author claimed that they are global citizens. In terms of employment, in terms of travel, we are global citizens. We are connected. Fine. So you may ask, what is the use of discussing this macroeconomic slide? Yes, it provides a huge amount of opportunities and challenges. Earlier it was 3 car companies. Today in India we are having 18 car manufacturing companies. Life insurance, only one player, LIC. Today life insurance alone we are having 24 companies. The total Indian consumer in marketing, we are not using population. The consumer is 1.33 billion, otherwise 133 crore the populations. That is the reason all MNC companies are eyeing on the Indian market. So newborn baby to age-old person, a newborn baby, a Farax, age-old person, Horlicks, Farax to Horlicks are all our consumers. So we opened the market during the year 1991. China opened the market during the year 1978. Due to opening, plus and minuses are available, advantages and disadvantages. As a consumer or end user, we are getting world-class products. More choices are available, we are really confused. There is a competition among the companies, among the brands and the TV channels. So competition among the companies naturally provides more employment opportunities. TV channels, you'll be surprised that India 823 channels are available. There are many 24 hours news channels. News channel cannot create a news. So opening of the economy, the market structure, provides a large amount of employment opportunities. So there is a competition among the brands to differentiate the brands best intellectual, best human prime is required. Lucky that our economy is growing. COVID, first quarter, second quarter, that is a lockdown for majority of the world, majority of the countries. Otherwise, reasonably 5 to 7% in terms of GDP we are growing. Other economies, European economies or developed economies are not growing. They are struggling. Right. So due to globalizations, many foreign companies are coming into India. Look at the slide. Chinese telecom major, Huawei. Huawei has filed 200 patents in India with the Indian R&D Center with the Indian engineers. Indian R&D Center is the largest outside of China. 16 billion Huawei technology, the company 12 globally dispersed research centers they are having. All telecom products, whether it is a Reliance or a Tata, outside the cover will be company name, inside all equipment, erection, cover, the Huawei is a Chinese company. The patent is country specific. The patent holder, a company, can enjoy monopoly right for 20 years. A single company patented the products in Indian market at 200 different patents. It provides a kind of monopoly to the company. The foreign companies are enjoying the India benefit. Doesn't mean that Indian companies are not enjoying. Indian companies also equally enjoying the globalization benefits. Right. So coming to higher education sector, we are in higher educations. Here is it of facts. India's higher education system is third largest in the world, next to United States and China. In Indian higher education, the role and the responsibility of the teacher and the expectation from the teacher keep on improving. So competitiveness of a nation, a knowledge-based economy. Today we are living in a knowledge era. It depends on continuous knowledge creation and innovation. So research becomes a focal point than every time, any time. We are moving to new benchmarks, accreditation and ranking part and parcel of higher educations. We are moving to outcome-based educations. Industry becomes 4.0 from industry 1.0. We are also equipping to fulfill the industry requirement education 4.0. Like corporates, academic institutions are given a target, and to achieve the ranking, to achieve a higher amount of funding, the target is given to us. NIT Tiruchirappalli, where I am working from 2007 onwards, all over India, 31 NITs are available. We are number one in terms of student joining. At the top 1,200 students prefer to join after plus 2 NIT Tiruchirappalli. In the latest NIRF ranking, 2020, we occupy 9th positions. We are comfortably competing with the older IITs. Every 6 months, our director visits each department. Institute is having a target divided into department target, and appraisal is happening. Department target divided into individual faculty and scholars. Is the Institute of Eminent status? Yes, you are aware of that. The government is giving new announcements. Right, if it is centrally funded or a government institutions, 1,000 crore every year, 200 crore is given. After 5 years, we have to self-sustain. Or if it is a new institute, IOE status is given, provided they are having infrastructure. There is no funding. So to become globally competitive, because we are a globalized economy, our education should be highly competitive. The government is taking a lot of initiative. Directly, indirectly, faculty members, we are feeling the heat. Right. So I'll be discussing certain brand leaders. Means these brands are very popular, very powerful category leaders. All right. So a few successful case studies I'll be discussing. Then what is the learning from the case, that also I'll be connecting. So can you name the company? Please, you can respond. Anyone, can you name the company? Can you name the company? What is the brand? It is a very familiar brand, Fevicol. Can you name the company? Please feel free. If anyone knows, you can answer.
Pidilite.
Yeah, Pidilite Industries.
Pidilite.
Industries. Yes, sir. Thank you. Thanks for the response. Pidilite Industries. Right? So the smart human brains, intellectual capitals, managers, leaders, how are they converting? Basically, it is a adhesive brand. It should be available in a hardware shop. Originally, the product is targeted for carpenter. But because of innovation in branding and marketing, so this brand, like everyday battery, available in everywhere, becomes a fast-moving consumer goods company, a brand. Every household or every student in hostel, they are having this particular product category. It is a leading adhesive brand from Pidilite Industries. It is a MNC brand from India, Indian MNC, one of the largest selling adhesive brand in Asia. Main reason for the popularity, excellent product, innovation in branding and marketing, creative marketing strategy. Right? So whatever product the company is having, the technology or a product is available for just 5 rupees. Wonderful product category. 5 rupees the technology is available. The company is playing with the volume. The gum is a low involvement product. Our usage is very limited, colorless, odorless. The company does innovation and creativity. Gum is available with the color. When you are using, during the fraction of a second, you are getting aroma, kind of mood elevator. So this company is an innovative company doing large amount of R&D. Employees, those who are working for the company, are making the difference. The Fevicol advertisements are award-winning advertisements, humorous, creative advertisements. Majority of the advertisements for Fevicol, it's award-winning advertisements. Can you identify this company? The company owns the brand Fog, 18 plus deodorants, white tone top. Any guesses? Any guesses?
No, sir.
Fine, okay, thank you. Gujarat? Anyone from Gujarat, North part, has told that pan-India participations from all part of India. Right. So Fog is a deodorant and other product category also they are having. The reason for including this case is very interesting. Axe is a deodorant, very popular. It is a Unilever brand. Except India. The rest of the world, this brand is a category leader. But in India, Fog is a category leader. Fog is a market leader. Fog deodorant is a market leader in India. It is not Unilever brand Axe, except India. Remaining all other places, Axe is a category leader. But India, Fog. Right, it is Vinny Cosmetics. It is a private limited company founded in 2009, very recent, based in Ahmedabad. Based upon the popularity of the company, venture capitalists invested 900 crores in Vinny Cosmetics. The person behind the company is Darshan Patel, the founder and CEO of Vinny Cosmetics. He studied the pulse of the customers. Earlier, he and his brother was in Paras Pharmaceutical. Most of the OTC brands are from this company, Move each company. So he separated, he started a new company, created a category leader. It is a very successful brand. I repeat, Axe is a category leader, rest of India. But in India, in the deodorant market, a Gujarat-based Indian brand is a category leader. We can learn a number of things from this particular brand, the company, person behind the company. Fine. So these are all leading brands, the latest Interbrand survey. Leading brands means employees are working and they are developing the brand constantly. Apple is the first, second is Google, Amazon. Compared to last year, what is the change in the value? Interbrand is a UK-based consultancy firm. Every year they are calculating the value. If you look at the best Indian brands, again Tata, Reliance, Airtel, likewise it goes. And they are comparing. Let me show here. Are you able to see my window? Excuse me, are you able to see my slide? Interbrand. I am moving. Right. So
Yes, sir.
this is
Yes, sir,
the
yes, sir.
Interbrand website. This is the Interbrand website.
Interbrand, sir.
Yeah, I made it ready. So top brand categories are available. How many are from technology? Right. So how many US brands? How many other country brands? You browse it. What is the change in value? You can get it. It is the most popular brand survey. These are all leading brands. If it is leading and sustaining means There are human individuals, intellectuals are working and contributing for this company. That is the reason these brands are sustaining. So this is an interactive chart from Interbrand here. 2019 is available. You can compare one brand with another brand possible, right? So you can also compare 2010, what is the status? 2010, what is the status? You can compare, right? And 2002 to what is the present state, it is possible to compare which sector, which growing it is. The data is available. You are mining the data as a data scientist. It provides a live clarity, present picture, how the brands are performing in the global level. Every country, leading countries, brands and services are available. Later on, you can refer it. I am moving to this slide. Fine. So it is the most respected brand in India and the rest of India also. The Tata is the most trusted brand. Any guesses how many companies are there under Tata Group? Any guesses how many companies are there under Tata Group? It is 106 companies. From Salt to software, Tata Salt to Tata Software. It is a trusted brand, right? The present chairman, earlier TCS chairman, was alumnus of NIT Tiruchirappalli. Mr. Chandrasekhar, he studied MCA from NIT Tiruchirappalli. So the present board of governors of NIT Trichy is also from Titan Industries. It is the most trusted brand, right? So they are not in a cigarette business or a liquid business. So a few examples, let me connect to Indiga. It is the first passenger car, 1998 they introduced, India's car. They position as a more car per car, more car features are available in India car. Another successful brand is Tata Ace. It is called as a little elephant. Earlier it was three-wheeler, now it is four-wheeler, more comfort, protection from the dust to the driver, more mileage and low noise. Two are successful. 150-year-old company. 150-year-old company. Two brands are successful. Category leader. Tata Indiga as a side effect, it becomes a taxi. But the same company miserably failed. Tata Nano. The chairman claimed that for $2,000, we are going to introduce a car. A developing country like India, a $2,000 car, 1 lakh car. It is not a German companies or a South Korean car companies or a Japanese car companies thought about it. It is an Indian car company. Idea is wonderful. He wants to convert, he thought that all two-wheeler owners will switch over to the car owners. But due to wrong positioning, the brand miserably failed. Even after repositioning, the brand failed. So two brands are very successful for a 150-year-old company. But the same company miserably failed. Theme is wonderful. Something went wrong. So from the failure, another company learned and they introduced, and it is very successful. See the next slide. So this company, lower segment is highest selling. If you look at the reasons, read the last line. Renault Nissan Alliance Chairman CEO Carl Skujal. The group followed the lead of visionary Ratan Tata's Dream Project. The Dream Project is nothing but Tata Nano. The brand was failed. Another company learned from the failure and become very successful in India. The success mantra quit car in India is available. Right. So due to copyright and work in progress, I am not sharing the material. If you are interested, you can take the photo snapshots, or you are most welcome to take running notes. So 98% is localized, a global company, localized in the Indian market. This is another MNC brand, white goods. Who's a market leader is LG is a market leader. It is from South Korea. Indian company Voltas Tata Group is not leading. Videocon is not leading in the market, but a South Korean company is a market leader, brand leader as far as white goods are concerned. They studied the kitchen behavior of our mom, Indian housewife. What is the vessel size? How many times they are opening per day? Electricity consumptions. And accordingly, they custom-made the product with reasonable price. And they introduced the 5-star rating. The brand is very successful in the Indian market. The second brand in terms of market share, white goods, that is also from South Korea, Samsung. Any guesses? Do you know this personality? Any guesses? From China. So his brand made a revolution. It is not a first mover in the category. They entered very late, but today they are the category leader as far as smartphone is concerned. A billionaire Lee Jun, chairman and chief executive officer of Xiaomi. Because of its popularity, the brand is called as Apple of China. They made a revolution while they are introducing the brand. Although it is not the first brand introduced the smartphone in India, very late entry, but today it is a market leader. Reason? They introduced the concept of flash sale is innovation, leadership, brand success. They used the e-commerce portal, only 1 hour sale was happening. So innovation that everyone can enjoy. They used unique advertising marketing distributions. The existing users acted as fans and brand ambassadors. They have not opened a traditional retail outlet. First one they opened, first day itself, 5 crore is a building. So they have not followed a traditional method. They depended on the flash sales. A very successful brand. This is another wonderful example. First I discussed Indian examples. Now I am discussing world-class examples. Segmented for boys and girls. Kinder Joy. What is special about the brand? Can you throw some light, please? Yeah, you can respond, participant. You can respond. What is special about the brand? Yes, sir. What is special? Anything? Am I audible? Anything special? Kinder Joy? Right. Okay, I am proceeding. Absolutely no issues. So, if you look at the gram size of the chocolate, Cadbury's and this price is more of 45 rupees they are selling. It is the most selling chocolate brand. The reason for a success, shape of the product. There is a surprise, there is a toy. It is a surprise, a curiosity for the kid. What is a toy available? It is not a ready-made toy. The kid is supposed to arrange the toy. How to arrange it? User manual is available. Hello, multi-language user manual is available. And finally, chocolate. Right. So MNC companies are doing a lot of research compared to Indian companies. So it is the Italian chocolate maker Ferraro. They develop 1.3 billion toys annually in India. Emotional attachment, 80 design. This is a core competence or a competitive advantage. Other brands, just like that, they cannot copy. That is the reasons this brand is very successful. As a successful brand, a category leader, under leadership and managerial excellence. A practical example I am giving. Yeah, this is from India. I told there is a huge competition in news channel. Beyond World is One from Z Group. It is a niche product. Becomes very successful. They are focusing on global news and issues. It is not a first mover, it is a very late mover, very recent latest channel, but they occupied more eyesights, more viewing time. Airplane 2 Airlines Money. Any response? Please make it interactive. If you know the answer, please feel free. Please make it interactive. All right, please interact. I need your response. It is a mixed audience. I came to know that Kanabadis shared the details. Faculty members, yeah, please.
Aeroplane 2.
Airplane 2 Airlines Money means what? Airplane 2 Airlines Money. Any guesses? Please feel free. Airplane 2 Airlines Money. Any guesses? Commercial airplanes, world level, only 2 companies are manufacturing. There are other companies smaller in size. The 2 companies, like voice is not clear, madam. Voice is not clear. Please reduce the volume and respond. Airplane 2 Airlines Money. You can respond. Airplane 2 Airlines Money. Like Pepsi and Cola, kind of. Yes, sir. Any response? Feel free. Make it direct.
Manufacturers are 2, but
Yes.
airlines are many.
Super, super. What is the name? Your name, please.
Mrs. Titus, Dr. Titus Johnson.
Yes, thank you, madam. So, 2 manufacturing companies were 2 leading airplane manufacturing companies, commercial airplane manufacturing companies. There are small players. Warflight, there are separate companies. 2 companies like Pepsi and Coca-Cola, world level duopoly, Airbus and Boeing. So Airbus is from European consortium. Boeing is from America, right? So every country is having a national carrier, and there are private carriers also. Product more or less remains same because everybody is buying from these 2 brands. Question is whether all airline brands are very successful. No. Singapore Airlines is 5-star rated. Lufthansa is a 5-star rated airlines. Qatar Airlines is 5-star rated. So what makes the difference is personnel. Personnel. You may claim that the service. Service is offered by employees, personnel, those who are working for the company. So wonderful example, Airplane 2 Airlines Money means product remains same, but the service quality, everything makes the difference. Right. So I am running a very popular advertisements. Right. So video is reflecting. Excuse me, video is reflecting. Are you able to see the video?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I am running.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. So brand is not available right now. Touch becomes Vodafone. And very recently VI. You can respond. What is special in this advertisement? Thousands and thousands of advertisements are available. I screened in a leadership development program a creative piece of advertisement, touch advertisement. What is special? Any idea? Most popular, most yeah. Please, you can respond. It is award-winning advertisement. Brand is not available, but we can take the learning and we can apply. What is special? There are so many advertisements are available. What is a creative piece? Any guesses? So there is no dialogue in the advertisement. Characters are not speaking. Only jingles or background music is appearing. Across the region, across the language, the message is communicated wherever you go. Characters are not speaking. There is no dialogue, there is no conversations. That is a masterpiece of creativity. That is the reason jury awarded creative advertisements. So earlier case, advertisement also acting as a differentiator. Product is a differentiator. So here advertisement also acting as a differentiator. Everything look like a similar. It is a responsibility of the entrepreneur, manager, or a CEO, or owner of the company, or a faculty member to create a meaningful difference. When you are creating a meaningful difference, when you are adding something, then you are creating a value. It is not you, it is not similar, it's something unique. So our role is to create a value. Yes, already set up brands are available. This brand made a revolution. Whatever this brand offered for a 28 days download, this brand provided for a 1 day. Other brands also followed the same. I'll go to a very old example. A 2002 or a 3, Airtel first introduced a lifetime prepaid card for 999 rupees. It was a very surprise, right? A lifetime prepaid card for a 999 rupees created a lot of noise in the marketplace. But unfortunately, the company is able to enjoy the benefit for only 1 day. Due to high competition, next day, Aircel introduced a lifetime prepaid card for 888 rupees. That is a market structure. So product or brand differentiation is the key to the success. There are successful organizations, right? There are successful organizations. It may be a business organizations, educational institutions, NGOs, religious institutions, government organizations. What makes the difference? Management. Well-managed entities are very successful over a period of time, generation after generations. Employees are making a difference, managers or leaders are nothing but a total quality person or a total quality management. Right. So our candidates are undergoing HR test, technical test interview, HR interview, human resource management. First part is everybody is having total knowledge, skill, creative, talent for entire organizations. If your institute is having 200 faculty, what is a human resource? All put together. Second, the blue color underline is very important. That makes very successful organizations. Value system followed by the owners and entrepreneurs of the company, policy, vision, mission, employees also. What is the value of the employee? Whether it is fitting with the company value, mission, purpose, very important. Synchronizing. The candidate may be qualified MBA candidate or a commerce graduate or a BTech. Qualification, gold medal, everything is fine. What about his value system, attitude, belief, aptitude of the individual to work for the company? That is very important. That is what HR people are testing. Talent-wise, fine. Knowledge-wise, mark-wise. whether this employee fit for our organization. HR interview, final crucial interview. Right. I request you to assume that they are identical twins. Identical twins. Identical. Right? Question is, are they same? Are they same? Identical twins, are they same?
Yes,
Same
sir.
father. Are they same? Identical twins, are they same?
No, sir.
In what way they are different?
Hair,
Attitude, sir.
Genetically, they are
Attitude.
different.
Genetically, they are different. Super. Genetically, attitude is somebody more. Yes. Same father, mother, time of birth may be a fraction of minutes or seconds. Identical twins are not same. They are unique. In their mental makeup, they are different. In their mental makeup, they are different. Face-wise, they are identical. But thinking, imagination, other aspect, they are not identical. I'll be showing you next slide. If you know the answer, please do not respond immediately. Wait for seconds. Do not disturb other person's thought process. Later you can respond. Look at the picture. Able to identify the picture, please. Have you identified? Have you identified? Please close your eyes and open. Look at the white background. Don't focus on the black background. Yeah, any response? Any response? If you know the answer, please. Any response? Right. So it is a perceptual ground. Please feel free, feel comfortable. Companies are giving advertising message, same message to everyone. Whether everybody is able to...
It's fly tie.
Super, thank you. So everybody is able to understand, interpret, giving the meaning. That makes the difference. If you don't mind, I can connect. We are faculty members. The syllabus is same. Faculty is same. Number of hours are same. Question paper also same. Duration also same. Whether everybody is getting top S grade in our class, everything remains same. Whether we can expect every student, our program MBA, 101 students, totally 115. Earlier it was 60 OBC, EWS, 115 students. 101 is the final number. Can I expect all 101 students will expect S grade, top grade? No. Practically, it is not happening. Right? So, no two people see the world precisely the same way. The cognitive process, imagination, perception, and thinking differ from one person to another person's. So, we are moving to managerial perspective. Foundation of individual behavior. Behavior is a function of person and the environment. Both are influencing each other. Every human being watches and behaves accordingly. We are learning over a period of time. Behavior is a function of person and environment. There are a lot of differences. Identical twins are not unique. They are different. They are patented, genetically different. Right. So when our chronological ages keep on improving, when we are a child or a kids, what is our behavior, what we demanded, later on we are changing. Right. So male, female, and a level of education, attitude, perception, personality, physical feature. Some person coming out of the gym, fitness, how he feel confident, level of intelligence, value system, experience, gene, accordingly individual behavior varies. It is a dynamic concept, keep on changing. Under behavior, personality comes. Personality is Latin word, how we are affecting and understanding others and personal is very important, right? So it is not only outer aspect, mere skin color, no, all put together it is a whole person concept, that is personality. So what makes an individual personality, that is self-esteem of the particular individual, right? And their physical structure, traits, that is qualities of the particular individual, and personality is a dynamic growth and development of the individual. It is a total result of psychological characteristics, motive, belief, attitude, habit, and overall outlook of the person. Some students, some classmates, write liking and disliking. In hostel, roommates are not talking to each other. Some people are having a close relationship, right? So personality is how they are understanding themselves and how they are affecting others. These are all traits of an individual. Some behavioral scientists identified main trait and opposite. I hope you are familiar, available in Organizational Behavior book. And somebody grouped the traits, accordingly proposed the theory, Big Five theory of personality. And these are all the characteristics of individuals we are grouping, right? So let me run a speech of speakers and leaders.
Sir, video voice is not audible, sir.
Pardon, sir?
Video voice is not audible, sir.
Video voice is not audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me replay.
It's not audible, sir, again.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir. It's not audible, sir. It is fine, but it's not
Yes,
audible.
sir. There is a technical issue. There is a technical issue. Right. Okay. Fine. So are you able to see my slide? Are you able to see my slide?
Yes, sir.
Right. So there are compiled speeches. Right. For me, it is audible, but it is not reflecting. Okay. For a leader, voice, quality of message plays a crucial role. Right. Whether it is a political leaders, a combination of leaders given a message, how they are attracting the followers or voters, message plays a crucial role. Managerial excellence is individual contributing team member, and the team member becomes a manager, effective leader, and executive. So all leaders are managers, but all managers are not necessarily leaders. All leaders are managers, but all managers are not necessarily leaders. This is all about the leadership, members' motivation, attitude, trust, expert in the particular area, empowering, delegating, discipline, collaborating, commitment, directing, coaching, acting as a mentor. It talks about leadership. Is leader value is important, empowerment is important. Encouraging leader should have a vision that is a long range goal. What is the organization or institution or a family want to achieve? And the mission is purpose, how they are going to execute. So let me run another video that is very popular. Let's check whether it is connecting. Right. So are you able to see the screen? Hello?
Yes, sir. Not yes.
Audible?
It's audible, sir.
Right.
Hello. Passing here.
Present no voice, sir.
No voice.
Yes, sir.
Voice audio is not connecting?
Yes, sir. It's not audible present.
Are you able to hear the audio?
No, sir.
Okay.
So it is not the way direct connection is nowadays.
Pardon, sir?
You may connect external device, sir.
Okay, sometime it is a YouTube, it is playing.
Yeah, from same.
Are you able to hear the voice?
No, sir. I understand.
Sir, remove your earphone. It may
Okay.
come.
Okay, sir. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Audible? Sir, voice is audible now?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Right, thank you.
Come on, Snap, Edward. तू बेस्ट है तो कर सकती है. Come on.
Voice is audible?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
सपना तो सपना होता है, ना कोई बड़ा ना कोई छोटा होता है. मम्मी मेरी कहती है सपने देखो खुल के देखो, सपने पर तुम अपने देखो. मम्मी मेरी कहती है करण आपकी बारी. Come on, Karan, all the best. तोड़ दे, फोड़ दे. तेरे हाथ पर आ गए तो अपनी मम्मी का श्राप करा दे. आयुष, sit down. करण, तू हार मत मान. तू फिर से ट्राई कर. तू कर सकता है. Come on. आयुष, come. I said come here. मैं हाथ ऊपर कर. दीवार की तरफ मुड़ जाओ. जाओ.
आयुष, तालियां बहुत हो गई. आपने अपनी मम्मी से क्या सीखा है? बताइए.
सर, भरोसा करना। मम्मी कहती है कि अगर कोई भी अपना हौसला खो देता है तो उसका भरोसा करना चाहिए, हौसला डबल हो जाता है।
Right. I hope the message is clear. Let me try the speech by the video. Please confirm whether audio is connecting.
Dream of an Indian
Whether audio is connecting.
who articulated
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Audio, are you able to hear the audio?
Yes, sir.
It's audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But not clear. sir.
But it's only because we love this country deeply. We care so strongly about its future. इसमें हम भूमिका रहेगी नेशनल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर पाइपलाइन प्रोजेक्ट। इस पर 110 लाख करोड़ उससे भी ज्यादा खर्च किए जाएंगे।
You have to have a lot of passion for what you're doing, and it's totally true. And the reason is because it's so hard that if you don't, any rational person would give up.
Because of my experiences within me, I shifted from staring at things to sitting with my eyes closed. This was a dimensional shift in my life.
Of interdependence emerging in a situation wherein we need to act together and prosper together.
Part of the physical world to the digital world. I was taking some part of the objects or anything intuitiveness of the real life and bringing them to digital.
Project into our life is patience. And we shall bear fruits to the people. Galatians 5:22.
And the new leaders of Indian industry, the old smokestack industries will always be there, but they will recede into the background in terms of excitement, in terms of innovation.
உலகமாக இருந்தாலும் சரி அல்லது இந்தியாவாக இருந்தாலும் சரி, வலிமையான பாரதம், இந்த இளைஞர்கள் நிலை, தன்னம்பிக்கை, எல்லாத்துக்கு முன்னால வெற்றிங்கிற ஒரு லைன் வச்சிருக்கு. பணம் சம்பாதித்தங்கிற ஒரு மனநிலையை என்னால பார்க்க முடியும்.
All right. Sorry, audio clarity is not that much. During editing process, we faced some difficulty. Are you able to see my slide, whether it is reflecting?
Yes, sir. It is visible.
Right. So the quote is very popular. Leaders don't create followers. They create more leaders. That is a true charismatic leadership. So King George, 1895, 1952. Right. So he's from the king family. He faced the difficulty. Right. There is a movie is also released. You're having a stammering. The speech is not very clear, but he practiced. He based upon the practice. He declared the war and he was communicating to the people. A movie also released about his. Right, so let me run the video.
My husband is required to speak publicly.
I have to say,
Perhaps you should change jobs.
And what if my husband were the king? My husband has seen everyone.
Insert them into your mouth. Let's see. He hasn't seen me. I can't kill your husband, but I need total trust. What's your earliest memory?
I'm not here to discuss personal matters.
Why are you here then?
Because I bloody well stammer.
Do you know any jokes?
You're not visible quest.
Your methods are unorthodox and controversial.
That was fear. Your peculiar. I take that as a compliment. War with Germany will come, and we will need a king who can all stand his own shadow.
The nation believes that when I speak for them. I can't speak.
You can do it. You needn't be governed by fear.
Be like mad King George the Stammer. Get up, you can't sit there, get up!
Why not? It's a chair.
That is St. Edward's chair.
People carve their names.
Listen to me! Listen to me!
Why should I waste my time listening to
Because I have a voice!
Yes, you do.
The greatest test is yet to come.
What's he said?
I don't know, but he seems to be saying it rather well. Your first wartime speech.
Broadcast to the nation and the world.
This great time of crisis.
However this turns out, I don't know how to think. But you're the bravest man I know.
I intend to be a very good queen.
A very great king. Forget everything else and just say it to me.
Right. So he practiced even with the difficulties, and it is very successful. This is another live example that is known leadership, MS Dhoni, very live example. And this is Edward Deming. He's an American engineer, a professor and statistician. After Second World War and Japan collapsed. My voice is clear. I am not using the headphone. My voice is clear. Please, anyone can confirm?
Yes.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So he's an American statistician, engineer, professor. Given a lot of advice to the top management of Japanese companies after Second World War. He was working in a Western Electric company. That company is very popular for Hawthorne experiments. The Japanese companies are a management, the CEOs are owners. In Bible, they implemented whatever words, ideas, strategies given by Deming, and they become world class. Even though raw material or resource constraints are available, they believed man can make a difference. So here is a real-time example of Edward Deming. So the quality aimed at the needs of the consumers. As a token of appreciations, JUSE, that is autonomous body. In Japan, they developed a Deming Prize to commemorate the contribution of Edward Deming, the most prestigious quality award given to companies in Japan and other countries. In manufacturing, we are a second largest recipient of Deming Awards. So there are many theories are available in leadership. Organizational behavior, leadership is well established and researched topic. Many theories are available. The situational theory of leadership tells that the situation demands, the leader emerges. Anyone can become a leader. Already the managerial leadership qualities are available. The situation compels anyone can become a leader. Do you know this person? Yeah, Einstein. Any idea? Peter Drucker, management thinker. Any guesses from India? Any guesses? Please, you can respond. Any guesses? From Coimbatore? Professor in America? So, Coimbatore Krishnan Prahalad was a professor of Rose School of Business, published many books on innovations, a new age. His book is very popular, The Fortune of the Bottom of the Pyramid. The people with the below poverty line, those who are spending $2, also having the purchasing capacity. They are buying and using products. Companies can also target products. Sorry, let me switch on the video. So companies can target the below poverty line segment also. That idea was given by C.K. Prahalad. Right, so your photo also can appear. Yes, the present researcher, faculty members. We are a social scientist. Based upon our role and knowledge creations, we can also become a popular social scientist. So the role of the faculty is teaching, administration, and research. It is not only teaching, administration, and research. Multitasking is required. The psychological aspect of the faculty, the teachers are the best managers and the leaders. Yes, of course. Starting from lesson planning to arranging the class preparations, right? Everything, classroom management, we are the best managers and leaders. The psychological perception, like the perception, attitude, motivations, leadership style, shapes the future managers. So we are producing future managers, and we have a larger responsibility to produce future leaders. So the manager should have a beautiful mind, means thinking, problem solving, imagination, and creative. So classroom is a multiplier of knowledge. We are creating a platform and the students are performing. So let me open the NIT faculty evaluation form. I thought many young faculty members are there. For your career preparations, we have been evaluated. Are you able to see the slide? Word file? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So we have been evaluated on 22 different parameters. Projects, consultancy, PhD completed, journals. Excuse me, from the last promotions again, recount 0, we have to start. We cannot carry forward. Like a corporate, every day performance is required. Administrative activities and departmental activities, programs, projects, conferences, books. Certain category there is a maximum mark. Journals and PhD, knowledge creation, there is no maximum limit. So number of years has to be fulfilled. Marks we have to secure. There is no internal promotion. So along with the open candidate, we have to apply and we have to perform. Right? So the faculty lifestyle requirements are keep changing. Do you think teaching is an easy task? No, absolute no. Right? So we are doing a multi-dimensional perspective, thinking, organizing, imagining, voice production, articulation, speech productions, eye contact. Very difficult task. One faculty managing 60 students. One faculty, 60 students. A present situation, one faculty, 110 students. A board, handwriting, body movement, some other thought. Everything we are doing spontaneously, simultaneously. Very challenging task. Experienced faculty, comfortable, beginners may face a teaching problem, but knowingly, unknowingly, this much amount of task we are performing. Right. So our target audience also evolving. We are dealing with the generation Z, born this particular category, age group. So this is a paradigm shift in the social science. So research is mandatory for a faculty, institute, and for the country, US ranking. The quality and standard of publication is keep on increasing. Ranking accreditations becomes part and parcel of our activity. Learning is customized for students in Education 4.0. We are dealing with the millennial and generation research. They are tech savvy, smart, and impatient. Industry requirements also keep changing. There are a lot of online courses, certificate courses. The formal degree course is slowly getting outdated. A top of courses students are performing. New educational policy also provides a lot of roadmaps, capacity building for teachers. So these are all the challenges for social science educations. Yes, our role is to create a value and value delivery as a faculty member. So in terms of new knowledge creations, we can write articles, books, project, consultancy, and it is converted to value creation to the students. In terms of teaching method, course design, content, whatever first information you generated can be covered in the classroom, and we are acting as a role model, and we are leaders, right? We are a leader. And based upon our performance, consistent continuous performance, and providing extra information, career counseling, additional over and above, because students are having informations. Google provides everything, but over and above, what is the content, value addition we are making, that makes the difference. Really, if you are contributing, we are most admired faculty, we are respected, and we can become popular faculty. Otherwise, single word, celebrated faculty member. Yes, we are creating lifetime impact to the students. We have a larger responsibility, but to produce managers and world-class leaders. So how to create a new knowledge, additional points for academicians. It is a major differentiators. Question may arise, what is new in the new knowledge creation process? What is the meaning of new? So we are publishing number of research articles, adding new contribution to the existing body of literature that is new, right? New findings, new insights, new framework, new definitions, and new method from our research, giving the future research direction, policy suggestions from the projects or a sponsored project. If it is engineering department, people are producing a patent that is new. These are all value additions. We are creating impact. So research is a continuous process. Yes, publication is part of our business. My request is, please don't underestimate our work. All right, don't underestimate your work. Wherever possible, collaborate. We cannot do everything. The synergy 1 + 1 is more than 11. So I'll be closing couple of minutes. Kanapati sir, closing time 1:15. No? What is the closing time?
1:15.
1:15. Yes, sir. I am closing. Another couple of minutes. 1:15. So research indicates that teacher effectiveness is the #1 determinant of student success. So qualities of a teacher is already covered. Somebody will be covering intelligence, knowledge, personality, communications, approachability, the qualities of the leader. And this aspect already covered. We are creating a respect. We are creating an image. The teacher is a role model. So requirements, we have to do a benchmarking. Corporates are doing. They are comparing themselves in terms of product and services, world class. We are NIT, we are comparing with IITs and other outside country best-in-class institutions. So these are all category leaders. Gillette leaders, Gillette and Intel leaders, Intel. They are the pioneering companies. They are least bothered about competitors. They are creating their own value systems. Let me skip. So excellence in everything, that is very important. Parallelly, I'm handling total quality management for students. Excellence in everything, whatever you're doing. Kaizen is important, that is continuous improvement. Look at the slide. This is a very interesting slide. Corporates are following Six Sigma. From 5 Sigma to 6 Sigma, what is the incremental growth? allowed defect is not even 4, that is 3.4. 10 lakh transaction, 10 lakh products if you are making, allowed defect is 3.4. Companies are doing. It is possible. Difficult, it is possible. IRCTC, online railway booking, whether 10 lakh booking 3.4 defect is happening? No. The Chennai International Kamaraj Airport, landing and takeoff, 10 lakh takeoff, 10 lakh transactions, whether 3.4 any mistake is happening? No. It is possible to achieve. A few recommendations. So highly effective people, Stephen Covey, some of you already familiar. For young researchers and students, I am recommending. Please do SWOT analysis. Yes, we should know ours and we have to improve. This is a very popular self-analysis, Johari window. And please try to avoid halo effect and stereotype. Halo effect means based upon the single trait to judging the person. Effect, stereotype means which group they belong. Please, everybody is individual patented product. Ensure that you are avoiding these errors. So earlier mindset of our people are let us stay home, let us copy or imitate or compete. That is the reason we are not able to produce a world-class products or world-class educational institutions. We were under colonial rule for more than 400 years. So listen to the target audience accordingly, perform well, and get the feedback, and it is a continuous improvement process. The size is not a matter, give you a maximum benefit. I am reaching the last slides. This person is most popular business leader like Ratan Tata, Virgin Group, UK-based company running 350 companies. He is familiar to us. This only Shivakira talks about give a hot to suggestion. Give a hot to suggestion. Right? And these are all few recommended readings. Let me run one video. I am closing. Give me a few minutes. Right. Please confirm the audio.
How does the leader train himself? How does he groom himself for scaling? Vision is fine.
Able to hear the audio?
But in myself.
Excuse me, able to hear the audio?
Yes, sir, but low voice.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
low
sir,
voice.
but lighter, sir. Not clear.
Yeah, yeah. Right, understood. Get a flavor, you can watch later.
And would be of a startup to a billion-dollar corporation. First of all, the biggest instrument for improvement for leaders is feedback. Most leaders who failed in the world failed because they cut off the feedback channels.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
They
Which is showing
allowed
on the
only
screen.
positive signals to come to them. Whether it was Mrs. Indira Gandhi,
Sir, can you
whether it
repeat
was
it?
Richard Nixon, whether it is Robert Mugabe today in Zimbabwe, every one of these people, they cut off the feedback channel. Therefore, you have to create an environment where people give honest feedback. And if you use that feedback, when you sit alone, alone, and reflect on it, I think there is an opportunity for everybody to improve. The second I find is to set aside ego when it is learning. For example, when we started the leadership training program at Infosys, we were the first company to start a leadership institute in India. My colleague Finish handled a course on selling. We all sat down. Even though he was junior, we all sat down, we wrote down notes, we learned, and we were the beneficiaries. Similarly, when Mohan Pai did his course on finance, we all sat down and we all learned. We are much better today because of our attending those courses. So once we understand that learning from others, even though they are junior to you, is for your own betterment, I think when
Right. So, are you able to hear the audio?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. So, this is a wonderful example. This is a wonderful example. Madurai-based Aravind Eye Hospital. Madurai, two things very popular: Meenakshi Temple and Aravind Hospital. This hospital is benchmarking with the UK hospital. Right? 20 minutes video is available on TEDx Talk. Just to give a flavor, because I have another 2 minutes. Right?
I've come here to share with you an experiment of how to get written message. It's about the Aravind Eye Care system.
நம்ம சீல வைக்கிற ஊசி ஒருத்தவங்க கணக்கு வேலைக்கு போற பக்கமெல்லாம் வேணாம்ன்றாங்க. கணக்கு அதுல கூட்டி வந்து என்ன செய்யறது? ஊசி அந்த நம்ம சீல வைக்கிற ஊசி ஒருத்தவங்க கணக்கு.
Their independence can make millions more. Even 10% of full time we have flown into our hospitals and other hospitals, do a lot of
yes.
So he's the founder director. He was a professor at the Madurai Medical College.
I used to sit with the ordinary village man because I am from a village. And suddenly it turned out, and then you see, seem to contact his inner being. You seem to be one with him. But here is a soul which has got all the simplicity of confidence. Doctor, whatever you say, I accept it. An implicit faith in you. And then you respond it. Here is an old lady who has
the eyeball is that is a fundamental, very little resource to deal with ownership. It's the patient needs to be focused one thing at a time. They're doing extremely well. With the result, we have very
Right. So, last few slides. This is my academic contributions, research matrices, Google Scholar citations taken yesterday. So, how research is impactful. Other scholars and their world, they will refer and cite the research. I published a case study about the Pragyan Techno Management Festival of NIT Tiruchirappalli, available in European Case Clearing House, otherwise called the Case Center. Students from 180 countries can download, access the case. So this is the last slide. So Theodore Roosevelt is a former US president, like Barack Obama, served 2 times. His quotes are very popular. So I take this opportunity to sincerely thank the Department of Commerce, Professor Kurumurthy, Professor Kanabadi, the team members, for giving me a wonderful opportunity to reconnect with my alma mater, to talk a topic on leadership and managerial excellence. If any questions, I am most welcome. Thank you for your feedback. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Professor. Thank you,
Yes,
Professor
sir.
Mohanagam.
Thank you,
For
sir.
nice presentation and video show.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Any questions?
very
Anyone?
much, sir. Thank you, sir. Your presentation is very good.
Okay, okay.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, sir, for a wonderful session.
Thank you, sir.
It's my pleasure. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for the excellent section. Thank you, sir.
Hello.
Professor Murugan.
Bye, sir.
Thank you. Yes, sir. Ganapati, sir, please.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Nice presentation.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Thanks for
thank
the
you.
opportunity.
Okay, thank you. Dear participant, again lock in on 2:30, 2:25, okay? Participant, again lock in on 2:25.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. I am leaving. Yeah, right.